Before opening the box, check the package and label. If there is any damage, please take photos for proof and contact our company in time. If the package is intact, please use scissors or knife to cut the packing strap carefully. Remove the outer package and the protective film of the device. Untie the knot and release the binding. Press the 2 button at the same time and pull the buckle outward. Repeat the step and remove the binding. Lift the dental machine from the wooden base and place it on the ground. Take out the accessories box from the wooden base. Distilled water bottle. Disinfectant bottle. Nozzle of spray gun. User manual. Power cord. Burrs of high-speed handpiece. We provide ball-shaped burr and cone-shaped burr, each 5 pieces. Tip of scaler. Small wrench. Used for disassembly of compressor filter. Wrench and oiler. Used for disassembly and lubrication of high-speed handpiece. Disposable polishing cup. LED and gasket of scaler. Water pipes. Take out the power cable as well as hand pieces one by one and remove the foam. Put the hand pieces into the corresponding holders one by one. Adjust the knob of the operating table. Lift the operating table to the appropriate height and tighten. It is recommended to replace the white filter every 6 months. Install the disinfectant bottle with black label to the corresponding position. Install the distilled water bottle with blue label to the corresponding position. Insert power cord. Replacement of scaler tip. When the cleaning tip is damaged, it could be disassembled with a limited force wrench. Replacement of LED. When the light is damaged, we could rotate the upper shell and replace the LED. Disassembly of handle part of scaler. Remember to align the gray dot during installation. Replacement of polishing cup of low-speed handpiece. We could toggle the buckle to remove and install the polishing cup. Disassembly of external water pipe of low-speed handpiece. Disassembly of handle part of low-speed handpiece. The rotating speed and direction of the low-speed handpiece could be adjusted through the knob. Disassembly of quick connection part of low-speed handpiece. We could lubricate at the second largest hole. Reassemble the low-speed handpiece and put it back to holder. Installation of high-speed handpiece burr. We could press the button of the high-speed handpiece to remove and install the burr. Disassembly of handle part of high-speed handpiece. Disassembly of quick connection part of high-speed handpiece. We could lubricate at the second largest hole. Reassemble the high-speed handpiece and put it back to holder. Replacement of nozzle of spray gun. We could press the locking ring of the spray gun to remove the nozzle. Disassembly of water pipe of spray gun. We could unscrew the handle part of the spray gun to disassemble the connecting water pipe. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the coolant bottle pressure switch. Turn on the water supply switch. Adjust the scaler power to maximum. Adjust the coolant flow knob to maximum. Take out the scaler and step on the pedal. Check the vibration, water supply, and lighting function. Take out the low-speed handpiece. Rotate the power to the maximum and step on the pedal. Check the polishing and water supply function. Take out the high-speed handpiece and step on the pedal. Check the drilling, water supply and lighting function. Take out the spray gun and press the button on the left to check the water function. Press the right button to check the gas function. Press the two buttons at the same time to check the fog function. It is recommended to lubricate the handpiece every time before and after 30 mins of use. Open the dental handpiece oil. Unscrew the connection part between low-speed handpiece and the water pipe. Add 1 to 2 drops of oil at the second largest hole. Press the pedal to drain excess oil. Unscrew the connection part between high-speed handpiece and the water pipe. Add 1 to 2 drops of oil at the second largest hole. Press the pedal to drain excess oil.
Turn off the power switch.
Turn off the coolant bottle pressure switch. Use the spray gun to release the pressure from the gas tank until the two pressure gauges of dental machine point to 0. After turning off the power, it is recommended to empty the water collecting bottle once a week. It is recommended to replace the air inlet filter of the compressor with small wrench every year.